In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Positions Widget in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are inside the Robinhood Legend interface, locate the main dashboard area where widgets and tools are displayed and where layout elements are organized. From here, move your attention to the option labeled Add Widget, and position your focus on the upper interface area where widget controls are available. Click on Add Widget to open the widget selection panel and wait for the full menu of available widgets to load on the screen. After clicking, a list of available widgets will appear on the screen. Once selected, the system will add the Positions widget to your current layout and place it within your active dashboard workspace. Wait for the widget to load fully and appear within your dashboard area so it becomes visible among your other tools. After it appears, confirm that the Positions widget is now visible among your active widgets and properly loaded into the layout structure. If it is not immediately visible in your main view, check within the same layout area where other widgets are displayed and ensure the dashboard view is fully updated. The Positions widget will now be part of your Robinhood Legend workspace and integrated into your current setup. From this point, you can interact with the Positions widget directly from your dashboard and access it whenever needed during your workflow. Make sure it is properly placed within your layout so it remains accessible and clearly positioned among your tools. If you need to adjust your layout later, you can return to the same Add Widget option and repeat the process to modify or reposition widgets. Once the Positions widget has been added successfully, the setup process is complete and no further selection is required for this step. You can now continue using Robinhood Legend with the Positions widget included in your active dashboard layout for ongoing use.